Hey, how y'all doing? This is Dwight, and welcome back to my channel. I recently finished up another pocket knife, so I thought I'd show it off. So here's my trapper pattern, and it is 3 7/8 inches closed, the handle length, and when it's open, it is 6 3/4 inches in length. The blade and back spring is CPM 154. I did a 400 grit hand sanded finish on the blade. It has stainless steel liners, and on the spine I did some file work. The handle is some oak wood that I got a hold of. It is an older chunk, so it's seasoned out real nice, and it worked really good as well. And I was really pleased with how this grain popped and became dark when I finished it. I finished it out with True Oil, and that took me a little longer than I anticipated because you gotta wait hours in between coats before you can sand it. But I am pleased with the finish it gave me. The shield is burlap micarta, and I use nickel silver pins, and we have a bird's eye style pivot, of course the bushing is stainless with a nickel silver hinge pin. Has a nice smooth action. I'd say it's a medium pull. Still like the snap, but it's nice and smooth. Anyways, this has been a look at my latest trapper pocket knife. I appreciate y'all stopping by, and until next time, y'all take care.